Happy Wednesday, guys. So yesterday we looked at the lifetime cost of the light bulb, and I think that that's really important because, like, I'm sure you guys had some good takeaways from that. The most is that what appears to be the most inexpensive to begin with may not actually be the case. So today what we're going to look at is the environmental impacts because, as you know, there's environmental impacts for using things, and so I think that this is something important to look at. So again, we have our incandescent light bulb, our halogen, our CFL, and then our LED light here. And we've got some color coding again. So you're going to go back to where you found total kilowatt consumption. And so that's our number 2. So that's right here. So this number right here, this 1500 hours, which is in part 2. And then you are going to put that in right here, which I already did. And I'm going to give you this one, pounds of carbon dioxide per kilowatt hour. So there are 1.23 pounds of CO2 or carbon dioxide produced per kilowatt hour. We know that CO2 is a greenhouse gas, and so too much of it is bad. So we like to reduce this as much as possible. So the 15 over the life of an incandescent bulb, we are going to produce 1500 times 1.23, which is 845 pounds of carbon dioxide that we put into the atmosphere. Doesn't seem like a big deal until you compare it to the other 3 bulbs. So I've also added down here, no, I don't think I've added down here, but I think what I meant to do was add another column and say there's also some environmental impacts of these other bulbs, and you can put this in other places that are not just carbon dioxide. And you read about it in your video that you watched last Thursday in class. And so if you can't think back that long, don't worry about it. But there are some other impacts and some other things that we can't do. Like one of the light bulbs we can't throw away in the regular trash. We have to throw it in a different kind of trash because it contains a lot of a toxic substance. So these are just things to know about, again, when you're purchasing your light bulb. Today, really quick lesson. This is all you're doing. So look at those environmental impacts because that will help you as a consumer make a choice. Have a good day. Get outside. It doesn't matter if it's raining. Get outside. Have a wonderful day.